Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add multiple images as a slideshow on your Instagram story. Let's jump right into the Instagram app. Let's create a brand new Instagram story. Let's click on the top left corner and hit the plus sign. Now, the pro tip over here to be able to select multiple images or videos is very simple. All you gotta do is to click on the top right corner where you see the select. You want to see this white background highlighted. So in our example over here guys, we are going to select two images. We're going to select this one and we're going to select this one over here. Then we click the arrow to proceed with, and as you can see over here we can add individually. We can essentially, first of all, you can create an additional scene that is coming out of the actual text. Of course, this is a pro feature. As you can see, things could get a little more complicated over here. I'm just giving you an idea. Easiest part, of course, you can just add someone. For example, we can essentially tag, let's say, Volkswagen. Why I said Volkswagen? Because it's over here. It's on the actual commercial, right? Then you can click on the other image on the lower left. You just click and switch from one image to another. When you're done, all you gotta do is to click on the arrow. And as usual guys, you can post your story for close friends only, or you can post your story for the public. As well, you can send it to your friend as a message, or simply you can send it to a friend's story. For more tips and tricks like this guys, subscribe and follow for more.